data literacy means that everybody is aware of what data we have, like getting the arm around the data. Now imagine there are 100 applications. Nobody knows each other application. We only know my application, right? So that way that nobody have awareness around the data. So the first part is creating a literacy means that you create a data catalog where all the applications are cataloged into one, and then give access to everyone. So now you cannot give every data access to everyone. Provided if the data is public, then you can give access. If this is not a public, it's a private or confidential, you do not want to give access. So if you want to give only the metadata access, you don't have to classify the data, whether it's a private or public or confidential. But if you want to give data access, you want to have high level of data quality, data literacy, then you should also classify your data. So first objective is catalog, then classify the data, whether it's a confidential, PII, public, which is public means within the corporate. Then once you classify it, now you can give access to everyone, right? So using catalog, you can give access to all systems. Everybody knows what the data exists. They can search around, they can do something with that. Now, this is a simple idea. Now, once you figure out the data literacy, now even though now at this point of time, people have C1 field, which have company code, right? People have metadata do not tie with the data. So now you have to solve this challenge. Now, how do you collect the tribal knowledge from individuals and kind of put the correct metadata possible, right? And also you can put this, now such a massive data, now we are talking about the millions of data objects. So you have to have you cannot put on everything, but at least the important data elements, which is like, say, as you classifying the data, you can also classify what is important and not important things are.
Right.
So once
the
you classify it, and put, it's exactly 80-20 rules. So put the more focus on your 20% of the data and classify them. Once you classify and find that those are my important data assets, like especially customers, items, patients, if they're a healthcare company, and then whatever the data is very important for your organization, you classify them, give access to everyone, and then make sure that their metadata is matching. So collect the whole thing is the business glossary. You put the business glossary, you assign them with the data elements, and you put together a nice, clean catalog to put provide them everybody access to it, and then give them, okay, this is how the data should be, and these are the ground rules of the quality. The quality ground rules are dimensions generally, like completeness, timeliness, right? So those are my dimensions that, okay, the data is there. Once you give them access and everybody is involved in the data quality effort, now